What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare Printful versus Printify versus Gelato. Which among the three is better or the best for print on demands? So let's dive into the video. Printful, Printify, or Gelato? Which one is best for your print-on-demand business? They all promise quality, speed, and profits, but only one will be the right fit for you. So let's compare them head to head. Printful offers the biggest product catalog from shirts to home goods, plus premium options like embroidery and custom branding. Printify connects you to dozens of print providers worldwide, giving you the widest supplier variety and tons of product options. Gelato has a smaller catalog focused on essentials, but it's high quality and designed for fast local fulfillment. Printify wins on price, especially with their premium plan. You get lower base costs, great for high volume sellers. Gelato also has competitive pricing, especially in Europe and for global markets. Printful is the most expensive, but you're paying for in house quality control, branding tools, and a polished platform. Gelato leads in global speed. They print close to your customer using local partners in 30 plus countries. Printful has its own fulfillment centers across the US, Europe, and more, fast and reliable. Printify's shipping varies by supplier, some are quick, others not so much. You need to choose providers wisely. All three work with Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Printful has the cleanest dashboard and best mockup tools. Printify keeps it simple but gives you flexibility with multiple suppliers. Gelato is minimalist, great for beginners but less advanced features. So, who's best? If you want quality, branding, and reliability, go with Printful. But if you're focused on low costs and flexibility, Printify is your winner. And if you're selling globally and want speed, you can try Gelato. There's no one size fits all. Choose the platform that fits your goals and budget. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!